Hakka Mantis courses. Now that you have followed step 1 and step 2 and you have registered and enrolled, then you can take a course. There are two types of courses offered by Hakka Mantis Boxing International, free courses and courses that require tuition. In time upcoming, we will release all the transmissions. You should follow all the branches and teaching step by step, just as you would in a traditional Hakka Mantis school, from fundamentals and intermediate to the advanced two-man training. For now, click on all courses currently available. Scroll down and examine what is available. New courses will be released regularly on a schedule. Be sure to subscribe to receive notices of new course releases. Click and go to the short course description and lessons. Start with, in proper order, the first generation first shadowboxing form, of USA Hakka Mantis, Sambo Jin. From here you can click and take this course. This short course description page is where your daily lessons are located. Scroll down to see them and additional related courses. From this page you will learn to train the daily lessons of USA Hakka Mantis first generation Sambo Jin. For more information about this or any course, click on the full course description link. Scroll down and study the details. A training certificate is issued upon each course's completion. Additional facts are available at the bottom of the page. You can enroll, take a course, or both by adding each to your e-cart, from the full description page. Add multiple items to your e-cart and check out once. From e-cart you can continue to browse courses or go to checkout. See the video tutorial, Step 2, Enroll, about final checkout and PayPal. That's it, just click, take this course, and remit tuition with PayPal. Come back and start training the daily lessons. Each course requires a minimum of 30 consecutive days of training without fail. If you miss one day, you must start again from day 1. Go now to the next tutorial, Step 4, Train daily lessons, and learn to follow step by step, just as you would in a traditional Hakka Mantis school. Do it now.